Cordelia, you ready for pancake? You want pancake? No? Yay! You want pancake?
Pancake with her pancake. Yummy. I want baby.
You want baby to have pancake with you? Okay. Baby sit. Here. You're welcome. Do you like your pancake? Oh. You okay? Oh,
Say, baby, be careful, please.
did baby hurt you?
Say, baby, be careful.
Say sorry.
Oh, baby, say sorry.
All better now? Baby kissed you?
The baby crossed his leg too, just like you. Cross your leg, baby, cross your leg.
You like it?
Say good. Because you can't first.